Hello and welcome to Travel Chef. Today we're going to make a quick dish which is made out of capsicum and egg. It's a very simple dish. It takes around 7 minutes to be made. This dish has the health benefits of capsicum as well as of eggs. So it is especially good for children. And this recipe has been perfected by my mom. So without much further talk, let's see how to make this dish. Capsicum and egg curry is a very simple dish that can be made under 7 minutes. For this we need 1 cut onion. Then we need 2 cut chilies. Then we need to cut 2 capsicum into small pieces. Then we need 2 eggs, which we will need to whip it up and keep it aside. Some salt for taste. And 1 cup of grated coconut. The next step is to switch on the gas stove, place it on high flame and place an empty tawa onto it. Once the tawa gets heated, we need to pour 5 tablespoons of oil. We use rice bran oil or use any other vegetable oil too. The first ingredient we need to drop into the tawa is chili and onion. This is once the oil is hot enough. Then we add some salt. We added 1 teaspoon of salt, but it depends on your taste. Also, we will be serving this for 4 persons, so we have taken the quantity as appropriate. Now we need to stir the onion and the chili and the salt and blend in the mixture, just to ensure that the onion is soft enough. Once we find the onion soft enough, we will drop in the capsicum, which we had cut and kept previously. Now we need to stir the ingredients once again. So as we drop any ingredients into the tawa, we need to stir them to ensure that the salt is mixed perfectly and blended well with the other vegetable. As we stir, we should understand the health benefits of this. This would help children to gain the daily dosage of egg, as well as the benefits of capsicum too. And is very helpful for working mothers to cook this particular dish. Now once you find the vegetables tender enough and soft enough, then we cover the ingredients to ensure that they are properly cooked. Simultaneously, we need to break 2 eggs that we had kept aside previously, and we need to next whip it up. Unfortunately, we've got a shell into it, so now we have to remove that too. So now we have whipped up the egg, which we need to keep it aside. Now we need to check whether our capsicum is well cooked. So we can do it occasionally by lifting the pan and checking the softness as well as whether it's cooked. The next step is to take 1 cup of grated coconut and mix it with the capsicum. This we need to stir it a bit so that the taste of the coconut is well blended with the capsicum. As we stir it together, we will check whether the capsicum and the coconut is well mixed. Now we need to add the egg with the capsicum, and then we start mixing it together. Once the mixture is perfectly dry and the consistency is got, this consistency should be dry. So then it is right time to take it off the stove. Now our egg and capsicum curry is ready. As we said, this is a very quick dish and it helps a lot of working mothers to make such a dish for the children. So we encourage you to try it at home. I hope you like watching our videos, and I request you to share our videos with your friends if you find this really useful. Also, you can add your comments and positive comments or suggestions in the comment box below so that it will help us to improve our channel. So please, once again, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my channel.